Okay, part 3. Small backpack. Small pocket. There we go. Okay, so in my small pocket, I'm gonna zip this up because, yeah. Stop it. You're ruining the surprise. Okay, we have the bag. We have the magical bag. Last year I was always that one girl that had everything, so I'm gonna show you what I have in my bag. My magical bag. So first we have Mindy deodorant, because why not? Body and hair mist. Oh my god, I feel like I'm running out of time. Hand sanitizer, mouthwash, a glittery lip gloss, chapstick, thing to clean up food from your braces, pads, more pads, hand sanitizing wipes, mirror, and lotion. Come back.